Yeah, probably like the other one. Tra-la! 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 Are you gonna go? I'll take a video of you. I'll watch you. You go, girl. You need to put some obstacles out there. Woo!
Oh, I know where the house is.
Very good.
You could be safe with this. This is something you could buckle yourself in.
Oh, you can buckle yourself in. Oh, it's just like the Barbie car.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, you could buckle yourself.
It is a Barbie car. Hey, you're doing good, Caitlin, going up that hill. Are you going to help Grandpa by opening it up? Hmm? Is it cool, Zoe?
Yeah, it is.
Oops, sorry.
I saw you.
Really cool.
I saw you.
I know you did. Thank you for trying to be careful.
Your seat is coming down, girl.
We were all so shocked when he was walking, like, what are you doing? Oh, no.
Yeah, you buckle yourself like right in your waist.
Uh-huh.
It's really cool.
That way it keeps you safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it goes really fast.
Hey, Zoe.